Hi guys, welcome back to this wonderful channel. Today we are taking you through chest workout you can do at the comfort of your home. Now this is a question from you, how to do proper chest workout from home. All you need is a space, ample space, a mat. If you don't have a mat, you can take maybe a towel, you wrap it round and put it under your knees, just for your knee support. What else you need is dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use modified water bottles, okay? So, but before we start on that one, proper way of doing chest workouts at the comfort of your home. So when you're going down, ensure your knees are slightly apart, mostly shoulder width apart to give you stability, okay? Not too wide again, so at least you don't start working on your pelvic, just shoulder width apart. Your hands are also shoulder width apart here. Your back is flat, your chest is forward. Now, people do wrong by taking your elbows out like that. Doing that, you're putting bad pressure on your shoulders. So we try to avoid that and take your elbows to the back. You can see how my elbows are folding to the back. So here, chest forward to the back. I bring my chest in line with my hands and push up. So I bring my chest here in line with my hands, not your head, just your chest, and up, and squeeze up. Now engage your muscles throughout. Make sure it's like you're pressing the ground together like this, okay? When you're going down and when you're pushing up, feel the contraction on your chest. Primary muscle you're working on is the chest muscle. Secondary muscle you're working on are your tricep muscles. That's how it goes, okay? Chest forward, down, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up to reps. It depends on how many repetitions you're doing. Now this is mostly assisted workout for the ladies. For the gents, try to straighten your legs up. You engage more muscles that way, chest forward, and the same thing, elbows to the back, you're pushing up. Elbows to the back, you're pushing up. Engaging your chest muscles as the primary muscle, you're engaging your tricep muscles as the secondary muscles. If you can't do that, we have an easier chest workout. You lie flat, your hands in line with your chest. Okay, so your palms facing forward, fingers pointing up, not to the side. Up here, you push up and down, up and down. So the angles, the position of my hands, you keep on shifting also the primary muscles you're working on, okay? So if I narrow my hands, primary muscle I'm working on are my triceps. Secondary muscles become my chest. But if I widen my hands, primary muscles become my chest, secondary muscles become my triceps. Very important to note, but both muscles are being worked on. Being a compound workout as well, the other muscle we are engaging is the lower back muscle. Because when you're pushing up, realize I'm pushing my lower back. I can actually feel my lower back, stretching inwards. So this is also a proper good workout for your lower back. Up and down, up and down. Another key thing to remember is against force, we breathe out. Against force, you breathe out. When you're coming up, that is against force. Breathe out, breathe in. Okay? Breathe out, breathe in. Out, breathe in all the workout. Even when you're doing your proper chest workout, against force, you breathe out. Okay, so we're breathing in, okay, against force, breathe out. Same workout, but now you want to modify it to make it slightly harder. Now we engage the weight, the dumbbell. So if you have dumbbells that you are able to hold with your arms like this becomes easier. For the ladies, remember your knees slightly apart, you're kneeling down, chest forward, you lean forward. When you lean backward, you're putting pressure on your shoulders. So you lean forward, you can go down and come up. That is one form of doing chest workout. You can modify your workout to engage more muscles, chest and pull. Now you're engaging your arms, you're engaging your back as well. Chest, pulling the other arm, chest, pulling. Realize my elbows are moving to the back. Against force, you breathe out. We alternate. So primary workout you're doing is your chest, but now you're engaging other workouts as well to make sure your output is great. Okay, so that's one workout you can actually do at the comfort of your home to really work on your chest, to work on your tricep. Okay, for the men, remember you can do the same thing with your legs straight, chest, and you're pulling, engaging your core muscles as well. With the same weight, you're lying on your back. Okay, fold your legs, your hands are here, so we can do chest flies like that. Soften your elbows, pushing up, soften, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Okay, that is when now you're doing only the chest. If you want to engage more workout, more muscles, now you can do the same with a hip thrust. 1, 2. So apart from us working our chest, we are also engaging our gluteus maxima. Okay, that is the glutes, the booty if you call it, the leg muscles, and the back as well. Okay, so apart from that, we can do pullovers, still lying down on the floor, overhead, and you bring it up to your thighs, overhead to your thighs. So realize I'm engaging my chest workout throughout. That is when I want to really work on my chest. If I want to engage more workout within the same workout, I'll engage my hips. 1, slowly down. 2, slowly down. 3, slowly down. 4, slowly down. Okay, you're engaging your glutes, your leg muscles, your back muscles, your chest, your shoulders, your arms. Again, we call it a compound workout. Easy workout you can be doing at the comfort of your home, and it will give you great benefits. Okay, so next time we'll tackle how to handle back workout at the comfort of your home. Okay, if you have any question, come on the comment section and ask. I'll be glad to answer you. So until the next workout,